Controlling your iPhone 16's flashlight from the control center provides quick access to lighting adjustments and brightness levels whenever you need them. Here's how it's done. To begin, access the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the control panel, look for the flashlight icon. To control the flashlight, simply tap the flashlight icon to turn it on or off. You can also turn the flashlight on or off straight from the lock screen of your iPhone. All you have to do is touch and hold on the flashlight shortcut icon in the bottom left corner of the screen until you see the flashlight turn on. Do the same to turn the flashlight off from the lock screen of your iPhone. To adjust brightness, touch and hold on the flashlight icon and then release when the slider appears. Now, drag the slider up to increase brightness or drag it down to decrease brightness. The flashlight can be adjusted through multiple brightness levels to suit your needs, from very dim to maximum brightness. Simply drag the slider up or down accordingly. Adjusting flashlight brightness on your iPhone allows you to customize the light intensity for optimal visibility in various situations, preventing eye strain and conserving battery life. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.